If you're a theory of knowledge teacher who is supporting students writing essays for November 2026, then I have something to make your life easier. Hi, welcome to ToK Today. I'm Daniel, and today I'd like to introduce the ToK November 2026 Essay Teacher's Resource Pack. Let me just take 5 minutes to tell you what this is, the rationale for the resource, and how it can help you. 5 minutes taken now can save you many more minutes in planning, workload, and stress later on. So, it's that time of year again. The IB has released the titles, and ToK teachers are asking what, how, and when. We've all been there, staring at 6 prompts that range from intense to existentially confusing, and wondering how to guide 50 or more students towards a grade that reflects their potential without losing our own sanity in the process. The reality of the November session is that the turnaround is tight. You're likely balancing the internal assessment, finishing the syllabus, and dealing with the usual end-of-cycle madness. So I created the November 2026 resource pack because I believe your time is better spent in one-on-one conversations with your students, challenging their ideas and refining their arguments, rather than spending dozens of hours in front of a screen trying to deconstruct what Title III actually means by the term alluring ideas. Now, this pack does the heavy lifting for you. It provides a solid academic foundation for all 6 prompts. So, what's inside the pack? I've designed this pack to be plug and play, but obviously academically rigorous. Inside, you'll find detailed title breakdowns. For each of the 6 prompts, I provide a deep dive into the key terms and the hidden assumptions within the question. I provide ready-made lessons. I've written at least 2 lessons for each essay. These lessons will help your students to explore the meaning of the essay and the possible ways of answering the question. The lessons are based on accessible and hopefully fun activities that move beyond brainstorm, think, pair, share. All materials and presentations for each lesson are ready-made, just download and go. Next, mind maps. There's a mind map of the concepts and themes for each question. I find that a mind map is a really useful way to start organising the apparent complexity of a ToK essay question. Next, previous questions. For each of the November 26 titles, I've looked back at similar questions from previous sessions and have analysed both the examiner preparation notes and the subject reports to find ways that IB have recommended approaching this sort of question in the past. Next, knowledge questions or knowledge claims. I've mapped out at least 10 knowledge claims that could be used for each prompt to help students to move beyond description and into the analysis that they need to get marks in the essay. Next, real-world examples. For each essay, you'll get a curated list of contemporary and classic examples tailored to each of the 2026 prompts so that your students can avoid the cliché of Galileo or flat earth traps. So instead of starting from a blank page, you start with a roadmap. The goal isn't to give students the answers, and that would defeat the purpose of ToK. The goal is to give you the framework to ask the right questions to help your students to develop their own answers. And with these resources, you can walk into your next ToK lesson with confidence, knowing that you have a comprehensive grasp of the nuances of the November 2026 session. This pack will reduce your planning time, allowing you to focus on the high-value feedback that actually moves the needle on student results. So, get started today. The November 2026 Essay Resource Pack is available now on the ToKToday website. Use the QR code above or download from the link in the video description below. I want to help to make this session organised, fulfilling and low stress for both you and your students. Now, if you have any questions about the resources or the prompts themselves, then drop a comment below or contact me on daniel@toktoday.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.